right, those of us watching the class in the future, we are still treating past questions, on indices. So we want to take a 2008 NECO question. There's two exams here. 2008. It was question number 1, and then it was a NECO question. NECO that was taken. That's November, December NECO question. Okay, and the question says,
Is it 2018? Because
2000.
you have sent many years.
This is 2008. So many of these years that I've dropped it as past questions on the channel for you people to solve. It has been sent as a channel from the admin. Yes, for you people to solve. So we are just taking some. Simplify. And what are we asked to simplify? We are asked to simplify 100 and let me not use that. We are asked to simplify 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3 times 49 raised to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of 1 over 2 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. Okay, so live students, go ahead and solve it, and those of us watching in the future, go ahead and solve it, and then we are going to compare these answers together. Okay, so we have options. For option A, no noise please, mute your mic. For option A, we have 1 over 35, option A. Then option B, we have nothing in option B. Let's get it. Option B is 2 over 35. Option B is 2 over 35. So option B. Option C is 1 over 14. 1 over 14. Option D is 3 whole number 1 over 2. 3 whole number 1 over 2. And NECO do give up to 5 options. So the last option is option E. Option E is 4 whole number 1 over 3. 4 whole number 1 over 3. Okay? Alright guys, go ahead to solve this. Let's go ahead to solve this, and we compare our answers. I want to believe by now that we've gotten our answer. Ifunanya, do you have your answer? Ifunanya, do you have your answer? Do you have your answer, Ifunanya?
Sir,
Yeah.
my answer is A.
And that is what? A is what?
1 over 35.
Are you guessing or you've solved it?
What's this?
Ensure you're not guessing. Don't guess. Okay, so let's have the question. Let's have the question.
Yes, I thought.
Okay. Let's have the question. The question was one. Mute your mic. I don't want anything unless you're answering a question. was 25 raised to the power of 1 over 3. It's 49 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Then times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. That was the question. Great, that was the question. And we said that anytime a number is raised to a fraction as a power, the denominator will tell us that that is a root, and the denominator will tell us is it then the kind of root. If it is 2, it will be square root. If it is 3, it will be cube root. If it is 4, it will be fourth root, and so on. In this case, it is 3. So here will become cube root of 1 to 5. Cube root of 1 to 5. That's what it will become. And this numerator is the number of times we are going to multiply this answer, and that is 1 time. That's 1 time. Then we bring our times multiplication. Same thing here. Same thing here. 1 over 2. That will be square root because it is 2. That will be square root of what now? Square root of 49. And we are multiplying it. We are multiplying it with number of times, that is 1. That is what that numerator stands for. Getting to this, 10 raised to the power minus 1. This minus 1 is just the inverse of 10. That is what it means, the inverse of 10, and that will be 1 all over 10. That was the inverse of 10. Okay, we proceed with our solving. Now, the cube root of 125, if you are on your mic, what is the cube root of 125?
5.
Beautiful, 5. And then 5 raised to this power 1 is what?
5.
5. So here becomes 5. Then we proceed. Now, this was square root. Now, square root of 49 is what?
7.
Beautiful, 7. 7. So here becomes 7. Then we multiply with 1 all over 10. So solve this out for me. Multiply everything here. Solve this place for me. What's the answer? Yes, waiting. What's the answer? Shouldn't take you time. Shouldn't take anybody time. If you're watching the future, I want to believe you've gotten your answer ready. Okay, so let's multiply it. 5 times.
So my answer is 7 over 2.
Is what?
7 over 2.
When you multiply 5 times 3, gives you 5 times 7 rather, it gives you what?
35.
Okay, 35 times this one on top here gives you what? That 35 times this one gives you what?
35.
35. So there will be 35 all over this numerator 10. This numerator 10. What can divide 35 and 10 without a remainder? What can we use to divide 35 and 10 without a remainder?
5.
5. Beautiful.
5.
Beautiful.
Five.
You now use 5. 5 will divide 10 how many times?
2.
2. Then 5 will divide 5.
Yes, sir.
5 will divide 35 how many times?
7.
7. So what we are having here becomes 7 over 2. What kind of fraction is this? What kind of fraction is this?
Improper fraction.
So improper fraction, we cannot keep it like that, and there is no answer in improper fraction. We cannot keep it like that, so we need to change it to mixed number. So change this to mixed number. What will you have?
Three whole number, 1/2.
Beautiful. You're going to have 3 whole number 1/2. Going to the option, which option has that answer? Option D. Option D. So
Yes.
your answer as A here was wrong. See, that guess, that was a wrong guess. That was a wrong guess. Okay, so copy it down, and we proceed. If you're watching the future, please copy it into your notes. Very important. That's why we are giving this time. Copy into your notes.
So I've copied it.
All right, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. All right, let's proceed to the next one. Let us take another question. The next question. The next question is going to be a theory question. This was a theory question, and that was in NECO. But this time around, it was a year 2005 NECO question. It was question number 1. Question number 1, the B part of it. NECO. Question number 1, the B part of it. And the question says, simplify. Question says simplify, and we have this into brackets. Let's have a bracket, and this is what we are having inside. That is, can you mute your mic? Mute your mic. 1/6, 1/16, 1/16, and everything is raised to the power of minus 3/4. Everything is raised to the power of minus 3/4. Then you now say plus. Now say plus 5 into 9 raised to the power of 0, and the bracket closes. Okay, so live students, please go ahead to solve that. There's no option because it was a theory question. No question, no option to go ahead to solve. If you're watching the future, as you're having, I want this pause. So you're having this pause, I want you to go ahead to solve, so we can express, we can compare our answers together. Naya, do you have your answer? Are you there? Okay, let's continue.